HIM JJ-HMA Chapter 8, and this is the introduction that we called it 000, and this chapter deals with technology, applications, and security. Okay? Now, as usual, we're going to pause the video so you can read the screen by screen. Okay? So the first screen, 1, 2, 3. The second screen, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is the last one. That's why there are two lines at the end. And now we are ready to do the flashcards. The flashcards just test that you understood what you read. Okay? As usual, there's just one word missing that you have to complete. Okay? So we start with Nelly Stefan is going to read the first question and I'm going to answer it.
Security. On arriving at a healthcare setting, the patient must quickly be I as someone who has been seen before.
Right. This is an example of security, which deals in this chapter. It says that on arriving, right, the patient must quickly be I as someone who has been seen before. What's I? Identified, right? Okay.
Yes.
The next one.
Technology and applications. The patient's previous laboratory test and imaging results are viewed through a web browser on a handheld D.
Right. This is an example of how technology and applications are used in a healthcare setting, because the patient's previous labs are viewed through a web browser and a handheld D. What's D? Handheld device.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we move to objectives.
Objectives.
Define and describe the overall scope of HIS.
HISs, right? Define and describe the overall scope. The scope of HISs. What's HISs? Health Information Systems.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Discuss the evolution of information technology in HC.
Right. You have to discuss the evolution of information technology in HC. What's HC? Healthcare.
Yes.
Okay.
Explain the fundamental concepts of D models.
D models. What's D? Database.
Yes.
Good.
Understand the functionality of structured Q language.
Structured Q language. What's Q? Query.
Yes.
Okay.
Explain how a W network communicates with devices on a network.
A W network. What's W? Wireless.
Yes.
Okay.
Characterize the differences between 2-tier and 3-tier A.
A. What's A? Architecture.
Yes.
Okay.
Identify network Ps used on the internet.
Network Ps. What's P? Or what's Ps? Protocols.
Yes.
Okay. Now we're going to switch. Okay.
All right.
I'm going to read the question and Stephan is going to give you the answer. Apply I design principles to screen and other input devices. What's I?
Interface.
Interface. Cool. Be familiar with the standards for designing W pages. What's W?
Web.
Web pages, right? Okay, keep going. Describe the role of an interface E. What's E?
Engine.
Engine. Excellent. Next, illustrate some examples of how ADT is used in a health information system. What's ADT?
Admission, discharge, and transfer.
Right, admission into the hospital, discharge from the hospital, or transfer from floor to floor, from room to room, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Keep going. Provide the advantages of computerized provider order entry. S's. What's S's?
Systems.
Right, provider order entry systems. It means the orders that the physicians are going to enter, right? Let's keep going. Define scenarios where B, code technology, could be used. What's B?
Bar.
Bar for barcode, right? Barcodes. Those are the lines like you see in the supermarket when you go check out the items and they have a scanner to read the barcodes. Those can be used in healthcare too. Those are barcodes. Okay, let's keep going. Discuss the purpose and applications of T. What's T? Telemedicine, right? Telemedicine is a doctor seeing a patient through like a video or a television-like system. That's telemedicine. Okay, let's keep going. Explain the authentication tools used by ISs. What's ISs?
Information systems.
Information systems. Good. Okay. Build a case for why an F is needed. Why do we need an F? What's F?
Firewall.
That means an obstacle to get into your data system. Okay, so strangers can't get in, right? That's a firewall. Let's keep going. Understand the types of M software. What's M? Malicious or viruses or things that are going to cause damage to your system, right? That's M, malicious. Okay, define the role of the secure S layer in internet applications. What's S? Socket. Excellent. Next. Explain various techniques used to address S of health information systems. What's S? Security. Thank you. Discuss the benefits of an application service provider M. What's M?
Model.
An application service provider model. Okay. Describe the steps for building a data M. What's M?
Mart.
A data mart, right. Let's keep going. Understand how data collected in a health information system can be used for R. What's R?
Research.
Okay, that's the end of our flashcards, and we hope you enjoy them. And now we're going to finish this video by inviting you to visit our website, and also we're going to ask you to
We are going to ask you that you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Right here, you see? You just click in the red square, right? And then you're subscribed to our channel.
We make about 3 videos every day. ICD-10s, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
Right, and then if you're subscribed, you get a notice in your email whenever we post the new videos, okay? All right, thanks for watching again, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.